today we're gonna draw Santa, okay? So we're gonna draw two different Santas. Take a look at mine first before you draw. Oval, okay? Now we're gonna draw a wavy line that goes up and then down, okay? Up and down. So we're gonna draw his right mustache. We're gonna do a curve up to the middle of his nose. Okay, no touching, and then we're gonna do another one to the other side. Connecting to the... Okay, and now we're gonna draw his face, okay? So his face, pay attention. Let's curve up. Okay, then we're gonna curve on the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna connect these two with a curved line, watch. Okay. And then on top of the line, we're gonna draw the rim of his hat, okay? You go. Okay, and then we're gonna do the top of the hat, which goes up to the middle and then to the right. We will complete the hat from here, go up, stop. And then here connects to the point. And then you're gonna draw the fuzzy ball on his hat. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now we're gonna draw his beard, okay? This is gonna be very big. So we're gonna draw it in 3 parts. So we're gonna do a curved line down. There's a small hook over here. You're gonna go up a little bit. And then we're gonna draw half a circle. Okay, then we're gonna do a small line down. You need to hold on your paper. Small line down here, like the other side. And we're gonna connect that with the rest of his beard from the top. Now we're gonna draw the bottom of his mouth. It's a small curve. And we're gonna do 2 small eyes. And then on top, we're gonna have 2 rainbows. That's his eyebrow. Okay, very good. That's Santa. Let's color his hat red, okay? We're gonna draw a different Santa, okay? Okay, do the oval in the middle page. Okay, that's kind of big. Okay, we're gonna do a heart from the oval. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, then we're gonna do the face, which is half a circle. Look over here. Look at my drawing. Okay, and then we're going to do the rainbow on top of that for his hat, like a sausage. Okay. Very good, very good. And we're gonna draw his hat from here, okay? Okay. Come down here and then connect. Okay. And we'll draw the small ball on the top of his head. Okay. And then down here next to his hat is ears. Okay, and then down here, we're gonna draw his body. From his beard, you're gonna go down. From here, we're gonna draw a line down too. And we're gonna connect that. Draw his belt. Pay attention. Okay, stick out, go back. And draw his legs. 2 rectangles. Draw his feet. His boots, he's wearing boots. Now we're going to draw his left arm. And his right arm. And his hands. There's a bump for his thumb. And his hand. And do the other side. Now we're at his eyes. 2 small eyes. And eyebrows. You can color his hat. There you go. Red. Okay, we're done.